Now I'm gonna have to have antifreeze. You know it'll ruin your water pump?
Will it? Not having antifreeze in your water pump will ruin it? I didn't know that. Yes, our truck overheated because it didn't have no water in the radiator, and we don't understand that. We don't see no leaks or anything, but I guess that happens. Luckily, we got some friendly neighbors over here that loaned us some water, because this is out in the middle of the country. It's pretty out here though. Yes, it is. Looks like a storm's fixing to come too. Well, we're taking off.